This is a beginner's ukulele lesson. We're going to be focusing on an easy to play jazz song, I Can't Give You Anything But Love. I'm going to take you through this easy to play jazz tune step by step, chord by chord, so get your ukulele because we're getting started right now. I'm going to be strumming a low G ukulele, but you can use any tuning you like for this lesson. Everything you need is going to be right here on the screen. But if you would like to get a printable PDF and some bonus content, you can join my community at Patreon. Click the links down below to learn more. There is a bonus lesson that goes along with this. I create these bonus lessons every month for patrons. This bonus lesson is going to include a detailed tablature of the chord intro I'm playing. I also have a bonus video lesson to take you through that step by step. So check those links down below if you're interested. Thanks so much for your support. Let's get jamming. Before we do a slow run through of the whole song, let's go through the chords. For every one of these chords, I recommend that you cultivate a very relaxed hand. You can do this by playing each chord 3 times and then relaxing. Notice the difference between when you're adding effort and when you relax. Over time, you want to bring some more attention to what's happening with the thumb. The more relaxed the thumb is on the back of the neck, the more flexibility you'll have to change chords quickly. So the first chord again is G. Right there, when I relax, my hand is ready to go to the next chord. Slide fingers 1 and 2 down to play G diminished 7th. The next chord is everyone's favorite chord, the open strings A minor 7. The next chord is D7. You can play this with fingers 1 and 2. You can play it with fingers 2 and 3. You may like to bar this chord as well. The next chord you're going to need is a D minor 7. Every time you see D minor 7, you can play a D minor. You don't have to add the 7. To make the 7th chord, what you do is drop the pinky at the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So again, this is optional. You may like to add the 7th 2 beats into the measure like I just did. After D minor 7, G7, notice how my first finger is already where it needs to be, so just pivot on that finger. You go in between those 2 chords. This is going to be a chord progression you hear a lot in this song. Notice how there is a melody on top moving down from 3rd fret to 2nd fret. Next chord is the good old C major chord, then the A7 chord played with 1 finger. And you'll also see E7 in this chord, which is really a lot like playing a G7 chord, but your first finger has hopped up to the 1st fret of the 4th string, E7. So when you practice these chords, play them slowly, make sure you relax in between each attempt, and listen for a clear sound from every string. You may have to angle the fingers, bend the knuckles in a different way to get every note to ring clearly. Now, if you've watched some of my videos in the past, you know that I'm a big fan of understanding the structure of the song, so you really develop your musicality in a deeper way. Right here, this box notation is a great way of running through the chords and understanding the structure a little more than a song sheet can convey. For every one of these boxes, you're going to count 4 beats, try to see a bouncing ball going across the page. Every time you see that percentage sign, it means that you're repeating the previous measure. So come on, get your ukulele, high G, low G, whatever tuning you're playing. Drop a capo on the 5th fret if you're playing a baritone. We're just going to play the chords very simply, not adding a lot of fancy rhythm tricks, so our left hand can really get secure and confident on every one of these chords. A good strum to play for this is just to strum down and up, a nice laid back strum. Notice how I'm accenting 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. D minor, 7, G7. C. Move to A7, another A7, A minor 7, D7, 8 bars. Here's E7, A7, 2 beats each. Very good. Did you notice those last 2 boxes can make a great introduction? I'm going to play a fancier introduction right now. If you'd like to learn it, click the links down below. That last 2 bars can make a nice introduction. Just play it a few times in a row. Are you ready to jam? Let's sing the song all together. Before we do, if you're enjoying this content and you're getting some value out of this video, do me a big favor and please click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I hope you'll share this video with one of your ukulele loving friends. Leave a comment in the section down below and let me know what other jazz standards you'd like me to teach you in the future. All right, we are ready to jam the tune all together. I'm gonna play an introduction that you can learn at the links down below. Thanks for being here. Let's jam. Here's the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't give you anything but love, baby. That's the only thing I've plenty of. Whoa, baby. Dream a while, scheme a while, we're sure to find happiness, and I guess you've always pined for. Gee, it's nice to see you looking swell, baby. Diamond bracelets were what doesn't sell. Oh, baby, until that lucky day, you know darn well. Whoa, baby, oh, I can't give you anything but love. You play that again. Repeat that 2 more times. Now slow down. And play that last G chord for me. All right, thanks for jamming along, just holding space for a beginner play along right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in another tutorial soon. Keep on jamming.